all, and welcome back to the leaning motor of OSHA hazards. I wouldn't recommend buying this entire assembly. I just wanted to update the motors pretty much back together. I'm so excited. Got the head rebuilt, you saw that in the short. Rebuilt the bottom end. Everything's pretty much like nice and tight. The belt's on, only using half a cover because that's what it came with, and I really don't care as long as it's able to run. I'm trying to still do it on somewhat of a budget. But yeah, I still gotta get hoses and intake manifold because this is the factory GSR intake manifold. And it was de-runnered, de-baffled, whatever you want to call it. So I'm not gonna run that because you're gonna lose terrible, terrible amounts of low end. Still need to put the rear main seal on once that's off the terrible, catastrophic this. Yeah, just like a bunch of little stuff I gotta do. I'm really excited because I figure maybe in January I'm gonna put this together, put them in the car. Still need a couple other things, but I've accrued and accumulated quite a bit of partage. I was originally going to do a whole disassemble video and rebuild video, but spend like more than 5 minutes in this shop and you'll sweat your garage and you'll sweat yourself to death. It's just like that. And setting up a mic here, I'll get nothing done. It'll be like a 70-part video of how to rebuild a motor. So yeah, really excited. I am going to start bit by bit doing the brake swap. I'll see if I can record that. Just yeah, quick update. It's all coming out really, really nice. Next up is going to be putting that LS 5th gear in this B16 transmission. So that's really cool. But yeah, been tweaking around with this a little bit by little bit. Been preoccupied with the EG on the other hand because AC decided to explode, but that's all fixed now, thankfully. Now I want you guys' opinion on something. Should I run this valve cover or should I go B16, like an SI valve cover? Because that's my favorite. Big old H, the VTEC. Whoever had this before shaved down. It's supposed to just say VTEC because this is it's in a GSR valve cover, but tell me, would you like this or would you like that? Other than that, I would like some feedback. What kind of content would you like to see? Anything more in depth? I got the Miata I could make some videos on. I got the Tahoe, which I want to do a review video. Those are pretty popular on my channel. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we can modify the Civic a little bit. For the air intake, muffler back, cat back, exhaust, maybe even a header. Right now it's a daily and I don't know, to me, automatics with exhausts, they really don't sound that great. But this is it. Doing a little channel update. Figured to keep you guys in the loop because it's been a while since I've dropped an actual content video. There she is. Hi. So yeah, just dropping a little more content on you, like in person instead of a type of review video. Anyway, it's the 4th of July. I'll be enjoying the festivities tonight. Hope you guys have a really good 4th of July, and I'll catch you in the next video.